What's going on, everyone? This is Julbert. If you're running a business right now and planning to grow in 2026, there's a hard truth you need to hear. The way businesses operate in 2022, 2023, even 2025 will not survive 2026 without the right system. Listen, not because business owners aren't smarter, not because they don't work harder, but because guess what? Customers expect instant responses, attention spans are shorter than ever, labor is more expensive, AI is booming, and business automation are simply too slow. So, in 2026, businesses won't compete on effort. They'll compete on speed, systems, and experience. In this video, what we're gonna do, I'm going to show you exactly how to use a tool like HighLevel to run your business in 2026, step by step, even if you're non-technical or starting from scratch. So by the end of this video, you'll understand how to centralize entire business into one system, how to automate sales, follow-ups, retention, and communication, how to combine AI and human without replacing your team. And guess what? Two strategies that I don't hear anybody talk about that you should be thinking about as you grow this business. So let's get into it. All right. Um, what does running your business in 2026 means? So this year, 2026, running a business no longer means answering every call manually, following up, juggling 10 different tools, hoping your team remembers everything, right? It actually means systems handle repetition, humans handle judgment and relationship. Data drives decision, automation, filling in the gaps. Okay, you can use a tool like HighLevel to as your operating system that ties everything together. So let's talk about some system you need to have. One source of truth for your business. I believe you can use HighLevel like we do to replace everything: your CRM, calendar, email, SMS platform, pipelines, reputation. Everything lives in one single place. It makes your job easier and it reduces your costs. In this year, 2026, fragmented tools can create a lot of blind spots. So when you centralize everything, it creates clarity. System number two, instant speed to lead. That is non-negotiable. So what I mean by that, customers expect responses in seconds, not hours, right? And you can use HighLevel to instantly get forms filled out, text messages going out, write out conversation intelligently, follow up consistently. Speeds become your unfair advantage. Speeds becomes your unfair advantage. System number three, pipeline that runs themselves. A lot of people don't talk about that, right? You can use HighLevel to track leads, prospects, clients, renewals, upsell. So instead of guessing what's happening, you can actually see it and track it. That is gold. Data is everything. Business that can see their pipeline clearly can forecast scale or stabilize revenue. All right, super important, super valuable. System number four, one inbox, every channel. Customer messages, businesses everywhere. Text, email, Instagram, DM, Facebook Messenger, website chat. You can use HighLevel and have everything under one roof, one form of communication. Your business never lose context. Your team never lose conversation, which is gold. System number five, reputation and trust automation. Trust will matter more in this 2026 era of business, and you can leverage HighLevel to automate reviews, request feedback loops, rapid, what's it, monitor reputation. Businesses with stronger signal win, even if their pricing isn't the cheapest. All right. System number 6, AI as your assistant. Not a replacement, as an assistant. This year, for businesses that are looking to win, don't replace the human, augment them by leveraging AI so they can handle first response, handle common questions and answers, right? Qualify the leads for you, route out the conversation to the right team members, and they can do it at the speed of light. So everything's able to move smoothly. And two additional strategies that I would love for you to use this year in 2026. No one is talking about them yet. To me, this is the future part. One is business memory system. So what do I mean by that? The most valuable thing for any businesses is to have institutional memory, right? So this is where HighLevel can store every interaction, every preference, every objection, every outcome that allows you to be hyper personalized when you do your follow-up, smarter reactivation, better client experience. Your business remembers everything, even when there's changes in your team. All right. And then strategy number 2 is leveraging human, AI, and virtual assistant as your operating model. So instead of hiring more people, you have the right VAs and the right AI tool. So VA for process and management, AI for speed, and then HighLevel is your system that everything is running from. So now you're able to lower your costs, increase consistency, and create predictable growth for your business. Less chaos. And guess what? Once you have system first, everything changes. Okay? Because in a system first business, leads are never ignored, follow-ups never rely on memory, clients feel cared for, teams don't burn out. And you can use HighLevel not to replace leadership, but to remove friction in leadership so that there can be more focus. So with that said, if you want to use HighLevel, you want to run your business with it in 2026, click the link, grab the free 30-day trial, and if you need help finding the right VA that can set all this thing up and manage everything for you, click the link, book a call with our team. Can't wait to work with you. Can't wait to see you soon. Cheers.